Samsung is officially bringing their life-saving feature on the Galaxy S24 series. From having one of the best and the brightest displays on any smartphone, to incredible AI features with One UI 6.1 and perhaps the best performing, most efficient smartphone chip, all these things are great and they are coming to the S24 series. But there's one feature that is equally important, exciting, and potentially life-saving, which is finally coming to the S24 lineup as confirmed by Samsung officially. Yes, the CEO of Samsung's System LSI division, Park Yong, has officially confirmed that the S24 series will have two-way satellite connectivity for emergency situations. For those who don't know, this will allow users to send and receive messages in locations where there's absolutely no cellular connectivity. With the help of satellite connectivity, you will be able to send or receive messages in those extreme emergency situations. The first smartphone series to implement this in the one-way communication form was the iPhone 14 lineup. Samsung is definitely late to the party, but they do have two-way satellite connectivity, meaning you can send and receive messages in those emergency situations. This is indeed a major Galaxy S24 feature that will likely come with the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as well as the Z Fold 6 next year. Now, along with this official confirmation, we have another official news from Samsung themselves. The same CEO of the System LSI has mentioned that Samsung is bringing the Exynos 2500 based on 3nm architecture next year, which means we're going to see this on the S25 series next year. As for this year, the CEO was very confident in the GPU performance of the Exynos 2400. He said, and I quote, "Exynos 2400 will do well because it has better GPU capabilities than competitors." I'm not sure if he's comparing this to the 8 Gen 3 because the early benchmarks have shown that the 8 Gen 3 definitely has a better GPU than the Exynos 2400. Of course, with the official launch, we may see some surprises, but overall, the Exynos 2400 is not looking like a weak chip as expected. Samsung is counting heavily on their AMD GPU that is coming with this new chip, along with the state-of-the-art generative AI capabilities similar to the 8 Gen 3 chip. Now, as we are approaching towards the Unpacked 2024 for the Galaxy S24 series, we're now seeing more and more leaks. The physical cases for the S24 series have leaked out, and you can see a pretty much similar look and camera placement as last year's model, so no major changes. With that being said, interestingly, Samsung is actually changing the design of the speaker opening on the bottom of the S24 Ultra. They're now implementing a long strip design instead of the traditional holes that we have seen, potentially increasing the audio performance of the S24 Ultra compared to previous generation. Lastly, the Unpacked event is expected to happen in the first half of January 2024. Samsung is indeed gearing up to launch these devices a bit earlier than the S23's announcement. Now, speaking of S23 series, the official One UI 6.0 is now out. I've personally been testing this for a few days now, so I'll be doing a updated review of this software and my experience. Be sure to subscribe for that, and that's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below regarding your excitement for the S24 series. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.